So guys, there is this app that you can actually play games and earn money. I have tried it and I think it is a good app. I'm just waiting I'm waiting for about very little small amount of money to withdraw. So I want to show you how this app works and what is needed in order for you to get paid this money. So stay tuned guys. My name is Grace and this is a disclaimer. Guys, this video is for educational purposes only. I only review apps and I also show you the apps that you can earn from. Like this app here I am about to show you. It is a game app and this app is actually paying. It pays up to from $25, so if you reach $25, that is the minimum, you know, withdrawal amount. You can withdraw your amount through PayPal. I'm going to show you all of that, but it is not guaranteed guys. You must play the games and you reach the levels. And let me tell you that this one I'm trying and I'm almost withdrawing. So I'm going to show you so far how much I have and how much is remaining for me to withdraw. So this is the app. This is the app here. The app is called Cash Arrow. So this Cash Arrow, what you need is to play games. You download it. After downloading it, you play games. And this app here, you can withdraw. Let me show you the withdrawal minimum. So withdrawal, the money that I have made so far is 4,982.97. So that means that I'm remaining with like around $2. Yeah, around $2 to be able to withdraw. So you can only withdraw tiers is 5,000, 8,000, 10,000 and also 20,000. You see guys, and let us see their withdrawal minimum. So the whatever you can use to withdraw, you can use, they have PayPal, they have Airtel, they have around 4 methods of withdrawal. Yeah, they have around 4 methods of withdrawal that you can actually withdraw your money from. Yeah, so you see, they have Airtel. These are the people who have withdrawn the money. They have a PayPal. I don't know why it's not coming. Or is it because I think it is because I had already put my details for withdrawal. You see, this is my details for PayPal. This is my details. And if I click on withdraw, they will tell me insufficient balance because it is not up to 5,000, you know. And let me tell you guys, you see this game. I am telling you, let us see the settings. Restart. Okay. Let us check here. Task center. Daily login claim. If you log in daily, you are going to be given 25 shillings. That is Kenya shillings. I don't know it is how much in your country. If you clear level 1, you're given 25. If you clear level 3, you're given another 30. And if you clear level 5, you're given 40. Those are the tasks, daily tasks. And then we have the career tasks. So far, I am at, let me see the level. I am at level 18 and I'm almost cashing out. So where the problem starts is this level that I am. Okay, I'm almost withdrawing, but now for you to get this, like for that money to accumulate, you know, when I started the game, the money, and you know, you earn those money from ads. Yes, you earn the money from ads. So the ads were coming when you click to watch. They tell you to click and watch, and you claim around 130 shillings. That is around $1, you know. And now it reached a place whereby, like this place where it has reached now, hey, you're being given those, you know, you're being given those to watch those ads. Those ads you're being given to watch them, and you know, you watch them at around 5 minutes or 3 minutes, and then they give you like 0.011. Kai, let me do it and you will see. You want to, you are going to see. And also, if you don't do what is needed, they are going to, like, if you don't make these arrows to go out or away in the correct way, you repeat. You see, congratulations, you claim cash 15 cents, 15 Kenyan cents. Or you claim, you watch ads to claim 0.15 cents, or you claim 0.05 cents without watching the ads. You see, guys, so this is how this game is. So if I say that I want to claim, let us see the ad that is going to be given. You see, now this kind of ad, this ad is around, let me say it goes from 100 to, like, it is long. The ad is very, very long. This one is up to 3 minutes. 3 minutes ad, you are given, you know, 15 shillings, 15 cents, Kenyan shillings cents, not dollars. So just imagine I am remaining with around 17 shillings to complete my task, to be given that money. But now, where the level that I have reached, it is it is almost difficult, because it can, I don't know how long it's going to take. But I'm going to make sure that I get that money. I don't know how long it's going to take, because if now you're being given 0.15 cents, Kenyan cents, how long are you going to take for it to reach that 17 shillings? God. And remember, you're watching the ads, and the ads sometimes are long. But anyway, I just wanted to show you this one so that you guys, you can, you know, you can try, so that you can try. You can also try. If it is something that pays, then automatically you're gonna be paid, because it is paying people. I can see, you know, the names are there passing, they have reached. But I know it is hard, but you know, nothing is free, nothing is easy. You must work hard for something for you, in order for you to get something. So I'm trying it, and I just wanted to do this video so that you also, you can try it. So you see, let me claim it. You see there, you see, I'm remaining with 16.88 shillings in order to reach 5,000. Okay, let me finish this arrow. Let me finish it. And you make sure that these arrows, you're familiar with them, because if you mess, you see, they are again telling me to claim 0.18. Now let me claim. Now these are the kind of ads that you're going to, like, you are going to watch the ads for the rest of this game. Because I think it is just like YouTube, whereby you want to watch a video, but they are ads. So you watch the video, they bring the ads. If you want to continue watching that video, you must watch that ad. So that is how this game also is. You know, you watch the ads as you play the game. So I want to play this game, guys. If they pay me tomorrow, I am going to come with the testimonies of $25 that I have been paid. But I am not saying that it is guaranteed, no. You are not going to come like just to register, to download the app, and you're given, you know, and you're given that $25. No, you are going to play this game, my friend. you are going to play this game. After playing this game, that is when you are going to get that $25. It is not something that is guaranteed. No, it is not guaranteed. So you see, now I have claimed, so it is there. So that is how this game is, guys. So my own was just to, let me finish it. Let me finish the game. So I have finished that one, and I want to claim, I'm claiming that 10 whatever, 15, I mean 15, not 10. So guys, the reason why I decided to do this is because I wanted to show you that you can actually try. Also, you can try and see if you can earn. You see, I have almost, that is almost $24. No, 24.60, $24.60. Withdrawal minimum is $25. So if I reach $25, guys, I am going to show you, because I am continuing to play this game because I really need that $25 badly. So thank you so much. Go and try and see if you can be one of the luckiest, winners. So thank you so much.